This spark that could reshape Asia's tech power balance. Yes, India is no longer just participating in the AI race, it's starting to lead it. Google, along with Adani and Airtel, has just announced a $15 billion AI plus hyperscale cloud infrastructure hub in Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. This will be India's largest AI infrastructure build out ever and one of the top 3 AI investments in Asia, competing directly with Singapore, South Korea, and UAE. So, what exactly is being built? A 1 gigawatt green AI campus fully powered by renewable energy, 3 hyperscale data centers optimized for AI model training, sovereign cloud, and enterprise LLMs designed for AI, not just storage, unlike legacy data parks, capable of serving 500 million plus Indian users plus enterprise AI workloads at global scale. So let's see, why does this change the game? It positions India as Asia's AI compute superpower, not just an outsourcing nation. It's estimated 70,000 plus high value jobs across AI engineering, cybersecurity, and data infrastructure. And strategic response to the other countries like UAE's G42, Saudi NEOM, and China's AI cities. Google's biggest infrastructure bet on India ever. It's the blueprint for India's AI sovereignty, no dependency on US or Chinese clouds. It's the big geopolitical shift. If this project scales successfully, Vishakhapatnam could overtake Singapore, Seoul, Dubai as the AI capital of Asia. This isn't just tech, it's economic power, digital control, AI leadership. India is not waiting for the future anymore. In fact, it's building it right now. If you believe India is entering its AI superpower decade, hit subscribe right away because I'm tracking every move in this AI war and how it impacts your career, business, and investments.